Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hope you all are fine. Assalamu alaikum. Before starting our lecture, today's moral lesson is help people even when you know that they cannot help you back. It means you have to help others just for sake of good. Students, as we have started our chapter number 8, electricity and magnetism, and today's our topic of discussion is Earth's magnetism. Earth's magnetism. As we have studied in our last lectures, that magnetism or the magnetic field is the invisible force produced by certain materials. You know that our Earth is also a magnet, so it also produces a magnetic field or magnetism. But how it acts as a magnet? The core of the Earth is made up of mostly iron. The outer core of the Earth is made up of liquid iron which is charged. What is core? Core is the inner layer of the Earth. As we know that some materials like nickel, cobalt produce magnetic field or magnetism, in the same way iron do so. The major source of the Earth's magnetism is the material that is present inside the core of Earth, such as iron. When the Earth rotates around its own axis, the charged material that is present inside the core of the Earth, such as iron, also tends to move with the Earth, as a result of which magnetic field is produced. The diagram given below shows the yellow core of the Earth and the magnetic lines that are emerging from it. Importance. Following are the points that show the importance of Earth's magnetism. Number 1. We can find the direction on compasses through Earth's magnetic field. What is compass? On the right side you can see the compass, which has a magnetic needle and helps to find direction. Number 2. Migratory birds and some animals have sensory organs or receptors that help them to sense the magnetic field of the earth to find their right direction. Number 3. Earth's magnetism also protects the human as well as other living organisms from different harmful effects of sun radiations. Magnetic compass. As I told you in the last slide that what is compass? A compass is a tool for finding direction. It consists of a magnetic needle mounted on a pivot or short pin. This needle is always pointed towards the North Pole. Next we have deflection of compass needle. There is a simple experiment which shows the deflection or movement of the needle of the compass, such as when a current is produced or passes through a conductor or a wire, it produces its magnetic field. If we place compass near the magnetic field, the needle of the compass shows deflection due to the presence of magnetic field, which shows that the needle shows movement in the presence of magnetic field. The figure on the left side also shows the movement or the attraction of the needle of the compass towards their respective poles of a magnet. You can also see in the second diagram the attraction of the iron nails towards the magnet in the presence of its magnetic field. Okay students, our lecture has ended here. Hope you all understand it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.